Hello all, this is Amy Johnson, and what I have for you today is a semi-abstract cityscape in watercolor, and I also use some ink pens. Here I'm just applying the magic tape. I actually prefer frog tape, but I didn't think it would look very good on video. That's why I'm using this. And then I'm using the drawing gum, and I do that. I've been experimenting with different ways of doing the urban cityscapes, and I don't like them as much when they don't have any white left on them, although I also will use a white pen to make some white marks for windows and such. But so I've just been kind of experimenting with a masking fluid, and that tool you see me applying with it, I just recently got a kit of like 8 different masking tools with silicone tips from Amazon. Basically making lines with the masking fluid. Some of them I think might represent windows, and other lines are just to break it up and to have some highlights. Now these are the colors that I used. The first one, that's a Daniel Smith color. I just received it in the mail like an hour before doing this painting, and I just wanted to try it even though I hadn't even swatched it yet and didn't really know how it was going to behave. And the name of that one is Naphthalmide Maroon. Then I used Payne's Gray and Turquoise, and I ended up throwing in some Winsor Newton Permanent Magenta also. I've been experimenting with sometimes spraying the paper with water first before applying paint directly from the tube, and sometimes not spraying it with water, but either way I still had a hard time getting my paint to move. I started out using this small sprayer, but then got frustrated because the paint wasn't going anywhere. So then I pulled out my big sprayer, but then there was just way too much water and the paint still wasn't moving much. In the next couple of minutes, I'm concentrating on moving the paint by tilting or using a brush or a palette knife. And I apologize as my hand is in the way a lot of the time. I have a lot of videos on YouTube, but they're acrylic pouring videos. And now I can see from making this that I need to see if I can angle my hand differently so you can see better. Here I'm removing the masking fluid, and then for the last part of the video, you'll see me doing some line work with a white gel pen and a black pen, both by Uniball. Thank you for watching.